Every day, our number one goal is simple: for you to have the building of your dreams. Projects like this are what drive us to push harder, think bigger, and deliver more for you. Together, we're building something meaningful, and this is only the beginning.